Introducing the 2021 Hyundai Tucson X35 Executive Plus Diesel 5, door in sleek grey. This MPV is equipped with a powerful 1.6-litre diesel engine, manual transmission, and loaded with top-of-the-line features for comfort, safety, and style. From air conditioning to lane departure warning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, your safety is guaranteed. Chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails add a touch of sophistication. The stop and start system and energy recuperation ensure a fuel-efficient drive. This vehicle also comes with a comprehensive warranty, full health and safety check, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Contact us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.